Morning, Lakeland, and welcome back to Hello Hawks. My name is Taylor.
And my name is Faith, and today is National Donut Day.
That's right, Faith. Anyways, here's an announcement video on the FAFSA.
Hi Lakeland, it's Kinsey, and I have an important announcement for all those seniors out there. Have you filled out your FAFSA yet? Because if not, Miss Paquette has a message for you. Did you know that in order to get a scholarship from NIC or the University of Idaho and many other colleges, you need to fill out the FAFSA? Did you also know that filling out your FAFSA is basically filling out an application to see if you qualify for the Pell Grant, which is pretty much free money, up to $6,345 that you can use for college? I mean, come on people, that's a lot of money. These are just two reasons that every senior who's planning to go to college of some kind after high school should fill out their FAFSA. Don't miss out on your chance at free money. Miss Paquette has videos and information to help you get started on Google Classroom and on her college and career website on the FAFSA page. And she's going to have a drawing on Monday for a $20 Thomas Hammer gift card for any senior who has the FAFSA filled out by the end of this 3-day weekend. She'll do more drawings, so if you fill out your FAFSA early, you have more chances to get a gift card. And I mean, hey, that's even more free money, so go for it. Get that FAFSA done this weekend, seniors.
And here's Lauren Cooper with an announcement for our seniors.
Good morning, seniors. The senior kickoff is a week from now. It is a totally free event. There's going to be pizza, refreshments, games, and a 9-square inflatable joust, which is pretty amazing, if I do say so myself. Come and join the fun and purchase your senior all-night party ticket. It's going to be $40, and this is the triple play event. So make sure to purchase that, because the sooner you purchase it, the better chance of better prizes that you're going to have at the senior all-night party. Bye, guys. Have a great day.
Veterans Day is coming up. Student Council is creating a slideshow to honor our troops. Send in pictures and names of your family members who have served in the military to Lauren K. Cooper at st.st272.org.
Are you a budding photographer? Did you take an awesome shot of the game last week? Do you want to make sure your club gets more recognition in the yearbook? Well, share your photos with the yearbook class through eShare. Just go to www.hjeshare.com and enter the school code Lakeland Hawks. Fill out the form and submit. Your photos may be used in our 2021 yearbook.
Don't forget about the after-school study hall in the library today until 2:30. That's all we have for you today, Hawks. I am Faith, reminding you that you matter and are irreplaceable.
And my name is Taylor, signing out live for Hello Hawks. Stay tuned for the Volleyball Assembly.
Hi, I'm Mike DIVILBISS. I'm the athletic director here at Lakeland High School. I'd like to take this moment to congratulate our volleyball team who won a state championship this last weekend, and the first 4A state title in school history, and their head coach, KELSIE Badger.
Hi, like Mike said, I'm KELSIE Badger, and I'm just honored to be able to coach this group of girls that represents Lakeland High School, and the phenomenal job that they did at state this weekend, not only getting first place, but also getting the sportsmanship award, and that goes out to our fans as well. We received a nice email from Kimberly High about how well we represented our school, not only with our fans, but also our players. So it's a great honor to bring that back to Lakeland as well. At this time, I would like to introduce my players. First is Abigail Neff. She is a senior setter. Next is Addison Rabel. She's an outside sophomore hitter. Next is Emily Moreland. She is a sophomore DS. Next is Kenna Simon. She is a sophomore middle hitter. Next is Lila Kiefer. She is a right side setter, freshman. Next is Addison Kiefer. She is an outside junior hitter. Next is Bethany Johnson. She is a junior middle hitter. Next is Olivia Stottinger. She is a junior DS. Next is Samantha Daniels. She is a junior DS setter. Next is Olivia Cooper. She is my libero. She is a senior. And last is Josie Russell. She is a senior outside hitter. And Katie Ryan is a senior right side hitter. And next is Ellie Carlson, a sophomore DS. And last that wasn't able to make it today was Riley George. She is a senior manager. I would also like to introduce my assistant coaches, Jennifer Wheel and Jackie Henry.
Hi. I want to talk about this volleyball team just briefly, tell them how proud I am of them. We talk about we are one as an athletic department, and where we are, I really, really like the situation that we're in here at Lakeland. We have 800 students here and compete against schools with 2,400 students. I love that opportunity to have to fight for everything we get and have to depend on other people for everything that we achieve. And that's what I think really helps build bonds and memories that no one can ever take away from you. This coach embraced everything that I talked about in our very first meeting, and went out and asked her girls to have the kind of standards of excellence that her and I talked about in our very first meeting. And I'm extremely thankful for them and extremely pleased for all of the success that they've achieved. We talk about you can't be one way in one part of your life and another on the volleyball court or football field, and this team exemplifies that. I just got done telling two athletes that were sitting in our office, do you know how many volleyball players that we see down here during the day? 0. And they exemplify everything that we believe in terms of character and the way you compete and the way you live your life. So I want to tell their coaches and the kids, thank you very much. And we are one, and everyone is a high degree of respect for them. So thank you very much.
1, 2, 3. Respect. I'm Abby Neff. I have been the varsity captain and setter for 3 out of my 4 years at Lakeland High School. And this year has been by far the best the best volleyball season I have ever had, club and school. I could not be more proud of each person on my team and how much we've grown mentally and physically. We've learned a lot about how to be a teammate and how a team should work in order to win state. It's very important in a team that everyone is a leader, whether you're an upperclassman or an underclassman. And I think that our volleyball team has really been able to understand that, and I'm really proud of every person for stepping up and being a leader, because that was very important. Because in my opinion, sometimes mentality is more important than the actual physical skill that you have. And we've been through a lot this season, and so having a good mentality was very important, and we accomplished our dreams.
Hi, I'm Bethany Johnson, and I just wanted to say what a beautiful season this was, how we overcame all the adversity with just coronavirus and all the mandates. And I am just so proud of all these girls, how we came together as a family, and in the midst of all the struggles with just all the mandates on masks and just stuff like that, that we still were showed that sportsman-like spirit. And I just want all you guys to know out there that just to show that just means so much, and we really wanted to put our best face forward for Lakeland and support you guys well. Thank you.
We just wanted to say that we're really going to miss the seniors next year. We've been really close with them and played with them since junior high, and we couldn't have done it without them.
Can't wait to see what you guys do next year. And I just want to say thank you for all the memories that we've had from all these past years, and it's going to be hard without you guys next year.
Love you guys.
Good work, Addie.
Hi, I'm Josie Russell, and I just want to say thank you to the wonderful coaches that coached us through this year.
Coach Kelsey, Coach Jen, and Coach Jackie. They have been the perfect coaches. I think it's very important that our coaches keep us focused, because we needed that a lot, and also be our best friends at the same time, and that's what they've done. So thank you to them. Hi, I'm Abby Neff. I'm the captain of the Lakeland volleyball team, and I am presenting the state trophy to our student body represented by Lauren Cooper.
Hi, my name is Lauren Cooper, and I would like to accept this trophy on behalf of Lakeland High School, and congratulations to our volleyball team for making championships at state and doing such a great job of representing our high school.
Hi, my name is Samantha Daniels, and the Lakeland volleyball team was the recipient of the Sportsmanship Award down at state, and I'm presenting it to the Lakeland student body.
Thank you, and congratulations to our volleyball team, and thank you for representing our school in such a classy and fun way.
Again, I just want to say we're so proud of this team. What an awesome job. You think about a state championship and the memories that you're going to have, but there's so many things about this team that's going to make it so special. They were undefeated in state, and the fact they didn't lose a single set. They won the state sportsmanship award, showing that they could do it with class. This is a team that shows everything that's right with extracurricular activities, and they did it in 2020, the year of coronavirus. So never having a state championship trophy here at Lakeland for volleyball, they overcame that barrier. Never having a state championship trophy in 4A, overcame that barrier. This is a team that's done incredible things, and I got to say, we are so proud of you guys. So thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Respect!
Thank you.